Unveiling the strategy of competitive pricing in business. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into an exciting aspect of the business world that affects both consumers and companies alike: competitive pricing. Understanding this concept is crucial not just for business enthusiasts but for anyone curious about how prices are determined in the market. So, let's unpack the strategy behind competitive pricing and why it's a game changer in business dynamics. Competitive pricing is a strategy where businesses set the prices of their products or services based on what their competitors are charging. Instead of focusing solely on costs or customer demand, companies look at the prices of similar items in the market to determine their own prices. The goal is to strike a balance between being attractive to customers and maintaining a profit margin. It's like being in a race where you keep an eye on your rivals to adjust your speed, not too fast to exhaust your resources and not too slow to be left behind. Businesses turn to competitive pricing for several reasons. To attract price-sensitive customers, by offering prices similar to or slightly lower than their competitors, businesses can attract customers who make purchasing decisions primarily based on price. To maintain market share, in highly competitive markets, keeping prices in line with competitors can help businesses maintain their market share. To establish a price point, for new businesses or products, competitive pricing can serve as a benchmark to establish a price point that is in line with market expectations. Like any strategy, competitive pricing comes with its pros and cons. Advantages: market alignment. It ensures prices are in line with industry standards, which can increase customer trust. Simplified pricing strategy. For new businesses, it provides a straightforward way to set prices. Flexibility. Businesses can adjust their prices based on changes in the competitive landscape. Disadvantages: lower profit margins. Matching or undercutting competitors' prices can lead to lower profit margins. Dependency on competitors. Businesses may become too focused on competitors' pricing, neglecting other important factors like product quality or customer service. Risk of price wars. Continuous price adjustments in response to competitors can lead to price wars, eroding profits for all businesses involved. Implementing competitive pricing successfully requires a careful balance. Here are some tips. Conduct thorough market research. Understand the price range for similar products or services in your market. Know your costs. Ensure you know the minimum price you can afford to charge while still making a profit. Monitor competitors regularly. Stay updated on competitors' pricing changes and market strategies. Focus on value. Remember that while price is important, the overall value, quality, customer service, brand reputation, can differentiate you from competitors. Competitive pricing is a powerful tool in the arsenal of business strategies, capable of attracting customers, establishing market presence, and responding to market dynamics. However, it requires a nuanced approach, balancing market demands with business sustainability. We hope this video sheds light on how competitive pricing works and why it's a critical consideration for businesses today. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content soon.